Bonjour et bienvenue. J'espère que tout le monde est bon. Welcome to Participle, where we will learn French together the fun way. We will be playing a mini game together and even a quiz at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Now we finally come to the past tense. The last two videos we discussed aller in the present and future tense. Past tense is a bit more complicated, but not really. Let's talk about it. For one to use aller in the past tense, two things are needed. These are 1. Aller's past participle, and 2. The present conjugation of être, which is a verb that means to be. Être is a different verb and is one of the most important verbs in French linguistics, it along with avoir and aller, of course. We will get more into être in another video. For now, you need to know that the formula for past tense is être conjugated in the present tense plus aller's past participle, which is aller without the r and an accent on the e. Let's take a mini example. I went to school yesterday. That's in the past tense, which is je suis allé à l'école hier. Now you notice that I put another e in brackets. Well, you don't write like that when writing. The verb is used when the persona is male, while on the other hand, aller is used when the persona is female. As for pronouns as nous, il pluriel and elle pluriel, realize that they are plural, so we write them with an s in the past participle. For example, aller. Nous sommes allés au collège hier. Time for some examples. Je suis allé au collège hier, which translates to I went to the college yesterday. 2. Tu es allé à l'école la semaine dernière, which translates to you went to the school last week. 3. Il est allé là, he went there. You'll notice that the il is masculine, so the e with the accent is 1. 4. Elle est allée au marché avec son ami. She went to the market or to the supermarket with her friend. 5. Ils sont allés au magasin. They went to the shop. I hope you all understood that. We know it's a mouthful, but you can always revisit if you did not hear well or you didn't understand at some point. Time for a mini quiz. Try your best in the following quiz and aim for a 5 out of 5. Now let's play a mini game. You have exactly 10 seconds to name a book with the past participle of aller in the title. Stay tuned for our next video. Au revoir et à bientôt.